Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope you're all having a great week. Surviving the Texas heat. The true summer is finally here in Texas, although I have escaped. You maybe can't see, but I have escaped to Cape Cod for a few days, which is nice, working from here. Hey, I want to talk to you this week. A really interesting case that came out of the Supreme Court a couple months ago about what the true motivation should be for taxing authorities in Texas. And as you've seen with your own bills and everything, taxing authorities can sometimes get aggressive, and they think like it's their job to sort of maximize revenue. But in reality, that's not supposed to be the goal. The goal under the Texas Constitution, taxation should be equal and uniform, and inherent in that is a certain fairness that should apply. And as a result, Texas taxing authorities' motivation should not be to maximize revenue. It should be to treat property owners fair and give them a fair taxes based on a fair assessed value. What one independent school district authority was doing was they had hired a lawyer and were paying him on a contingency basis to protest the assessed values and to try to get the assessed values raised. And this all went all the way to the Supreme Court, and the Texas Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court realized or stated that hiring somebody on a contingency basis creates a perverse incentive. There were other issues with the ruling, but the one that I think is the most interesting is it recognized that it creates a profit motive for that lawyer by having him on a contingency basis. And that profit motive is not in line with the proper motive of the taxing authorities. And as a result, the Texas Supreme Court said that the taxing authority is not allowed to hire lawyers on a contingency basis to protest for higher assessed values. And that was obviously a great ruling for landowners. It's how it should be, because their incentive should not be to soak the property owner and try to get as much revenue as possible. It should be to treat them, as fairly as possible. So that's, like these taxing authorities, as you know, they can get excited and aggressive and try to maximize revenue. And when they do that, lawyers like me and then the Texas Supreme Court will fight them and tell them no. So if you're having that issue, please give us a call. And otherwise, please enjoy your week, stay cool, and subscribe to our blog, our YouTube channel, and our podcast. Thanks a lot.